Alright guys, Anna Choma commented on my last post and she said, nice work. Please do this video that someone will jump over a building or gate. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Choma, you don't need to worry, I get your point. So, let's go. Mount your camera on a tripod using landscape or portrait. Position the camera towards an angle of elevation. Make sure the camera is a bit far from the building. You get my point? Now record just the building for up to 5 seconds. Then you can now walk in. And when you walk in, make sure you are in a position where when you jump, your legs will be above the building. I don't know if you get my point. Let me repeat. Make sure you are in a position whereby when you jump, you get my point, your legs will be above the building like this. Alright, so when that is done, you can now turn back and run towards the building. You get my point? So guys, you are good to go. So let's just save the video and head over to Capcut. Alright, on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you just recorded. You get my point? So this is the video right here. So you know, I did this video in a field, so the noise in the background, I don't even need them. So you click on this mute clip right here, so it will mute the original sound of the video clip. You get my point? But you can confirm that if you go to volume, understand, just click and go to volume, see volume right here, so you see that the noise, no sound is right there, so you'll be able to edit your video without noise. So when that is done, you know, we recorded an empty scene, just the building, before the character walks in. What you do, you have to tap on the layer, then go and look for split. Now let's go look for split. Where is split? Now click on split. You get my point? So now go and look for overlay. Alright, where is overlay? Alright, see overlay, click on overlay. Now use your finger to drag it to the beginning of the video. So when you have something like this, the next thing for you to do is to like this video. You get my point? You comment on this video. You get my point? So now you tap on the second layer and split and delete the unwanted part at the beginning of the video. You get my point? When that is done, you tap on this remaining part, drag it to the beginning of the video. Now this is how you want your video to start. I believe you get my point. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing tips like this. You get my point? So now what's going to happen right here is you're going to tap on the first layer. Tap on the first layer right here, then go and look for freeze so that we can extend the empty background. You get my point? So where is freeze? Okay, look at freeze here. So you click on freeze. So you tap on the frozen layer and drag it. You can decide to drag to the end of the video. You get my point? But I will just stop my own somewhere here. You get my point? So now the next thing you want to do, because I don't want this video to be very long, let me make sure everything is very brief. So from this part where the character is in the A, like the two legs are above the building. So guys, if you want to learn how to edit native Dr. Mirror effect, just click on the link you see up here. You get my point? You tap on the video layer, now tap on split. Now look at this other layer right here. You need to go and set how we want our video to end. So this is from this part where the character runs and come back. So I want my own to end somewhere here. You get my point? So you can just split and delete, or you adjust it to end from here. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but if you do, let me know in the comment section. I do. So you tap on this video layer right now, go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. Where is mask? Now click on mask, click on horizontal, tap on horizontal, bro. So adjust it. Use your finger to adjust it so that it will align at the top of the building. When it aligns like this, guys, yeah, you don't even need to touch the fader icon. Just align it like this at the top of the building. It's not going to reveal your legs. It will only reveal the upper part of your body. so it will be as if you are behind the building. Understand? So now just let's watch how it's gonna play. So guys, comment what you want me to teach in my next video, and make sure you are the first to comment on what you want me to teach in my next video. So guys, as you can see, the guy has just jumped over the building with ease. You get my point? So this is how to create this type of video, a giant jumping over a building. So guys, when you like this video, YouTube will recommend it to a larger audience on this platform. You get my point? So from here you can now save your video to your gallery. You can increase the resolution, increase the frame rate, you can increase the code rate just after you export your video to your gallery, and you are good to go. So see you in our next video.